I love how this little Isabel plushie has little bells on her. Today we are covering patterns from one of my favorite franchises ever, Animal Crossing. Now I'm going to show you a bunch of free patterns. So I have 35 free patterns to share with you, and then because Animal Crossing has so many characters, I'm going to show you a bunch of Etsy stores that sell a lot of different patterns of different characters. So how this is going to work is I'm going to have patterns in the corner over here, and then I'll have a number which corresponds to a number in the description which will link to the pattern. First pattern we have is these adorable little leaf coasters. Now these look like leaves, but maybe if you put them on the floor they will turn into another item. You'll have to crochet them and find out. Next pattern we've got is this giant bell bag. Now they do put stuffing in this one, but if you want to have yours as a little drawstring bag, you can definitely do that. Then we've got the mini version of the bell bag, which look, you can't fit much in, but they're very cute. Then I have an actual single bell. It's been a little while since I played Animal Crossing, and not gonna lie, I was like, what? There aren't coins in the game. Yes, there are. Fake fan. This one is a coaster. Could make someone put them in your big bell bag. Then this is one of my favorite patterns on the list. It is the Animal Crossing gift box. You don't have to slingshot this one out of the sky, you just have to crochet it. Now this pattern shows you how to crochet the gift box and the ribbon and the balloon and then assemble it all together. The little box also functions as an actual box if you want it to. You can sew it shut if you want. But if you want it to be a box, you can make it that way and open it up and put a little present in there. If you know anyone who loves Animal Crossing, that can be their birthday present. Then next we have a smaller balloon present. You probably can't fit a present in there, but you know what you could do? You could crochet the mini balloon present keychain and you could put it in the box of the big balloon present. That would be a good gift for an Animal Crossing friend. Next I have some fruits to cover, starting off with the peach. Then the person who created this pattern also created the orange and pear, which you can find under one link in the description, and then they went out for the full set. They made the apple, the cherry, and even the coconut. You can crochet all your favorite little Animal Crossing fruits. My favorite Animal Crossing fruit is actually everyone's least favorite, the orange. I don't even like oranges, but they are the fruit that I always get. Every single game I've played, they have been my fruit. I don't know how, I don't know why. Every time I start a new Animal Crossing game, it's oranges. Next we have another food that's not really a food. We've got some turnips. I don't believe you can sell these ones for like 500 bells, but I don't know. I haven't tried. The next pattern is this fossil. It's an unidentified fossil. You could take it to your local museum, see if they could figure out what it is, or you could just keep it as like a cute little pillow. And this is such a cute idea. It's like the little item bag that you often get when you buy random things from the Nooklings. Next we have some adorable little gyroids. I hope I said that right. For a long time in my head, I used to call them gyroids. I'm pretty sure you pronounce it gyroids. Anyway, there's some cute little ones that you can crochet. Then if you want to crochet a specific gyroid, you can crochet this adorable squeakoid. I think it's a squeakoid. Is it squeakoid or squeezoid? Fake fan. No, I was right the first time. It is a squeakoid. As you can see, there are two color variations in the picture. You are very interested in squeakoids. That does sound like a dog toy, doesn't it? Moving on to the best item in the entire series, the froggy chair. The froggy chair. I love the froggy chair. I'm definitely going to crochet some froggy chairs, and I am definitely going to crochet a purple one because why isn't there a purple one? No, Nintendo are really missing out on a lot of merch opportunities. Like, why isn't there froggy chair merch? Why aren't they selling chairs, like actual froggy chairs? I would buy one in a heartbeat. Next pattern is a lovely Animal Crossing case for your Nintendo Switch. Its design is very similar to like the dock of the special Animal Crossing edition Switch, but the way it's got Tom Nook on an island doesn't look like it has Timmy and Tommy, but there's probably enough going on in that pixel grid design. And then if you want a different Nintendo Switch case, or you have two Nintendo Switches, here is a second case. This one's a little bit simpler, no pixel grid here, but you do have this cute little leaf added on. Okay, so now we're going to move into what maybe you've all been waiting for this whole time, is the actual characters of Animal Crossing. So we're gonna start off with our main girl, Isabel. Got this very cute crochet pattern of her. This is a video tutorial. It has like 10 parts, so it's very in-depth. You can follow along and learn how to make Isabel because I show you every single step of the way. Then we've got our other main character. Do we like him? Do we hate him? Look, he doesn't charge interest on our loans, and we give him fruit and he gives us money and he accepts the money back to pay off our loans. So he's in my good books, to be honest. If he's in your good books or he's in your bad books and you want to punch him, you could crochet him. Then we have KK Slider with a guitar. Now the guitar in this one is made out of felt. If you'd like to crochet a guitar, I do have a little guitar pattern for you. Anyway, then we've got this pattern which is called Orville/Wilma. So who is it? Which dodo is it? Which dodo do you want to make it? You could make two and make it both. those. This one does look like Orville to me, the one on the desk that looks like his headset, because the other one has a different headset and is wearing glasses. But you could always pretend it's Wilbur without the glasses or crochet him some glasses. The next character is Wisp, wearing a cute little pink hat. You usually wear a blue hat in the game, but you can make it whatever color you like. Then we've got another visitor to your island, or I guess he's more of a visitor to your ocean around your island. It's Pascal the Oscar. That's not what they're called. Oh, it's not. Pascal the Otter. Why is that such a tongue twister? It's really not. I just can't speak. Anyway, there's a very detailed pattern with a lot of different pieces if you want to make a Pascal. Next, we have this video tutorial of how to crochet Gulliver. I personally have seen enough of Gulliver in my life. I don't need to see him again, so I'm not going to be crocheting him, but maybe you like Gulliver. The next pattern is Reese. Look how amazing this pattern is. It is so detailed. It's got so many pieces. The instructions are really, really detailed as well. I can't believe they just made this pattern and gave it away for free. Like, look at that! And they also made the matching Cyrus pattern. So 2 really amazing patterns there. It'd probably take a while to crochet with all the pieces, but so worth it. So I obviously haven't covered all the special characters. As you can see with the special character patterns we have looked at, they have so many pieces and they're so detailed and intricate. I totally understand why there aren't that many free patterns out there. There are a lot of paid patterns, so we're going to take a look at those later. But for now, I'm going to show you some free patterns of villages. Now, with there being over 400 villages, I obviously can't show them all, but I found these really cute free patterns of some popular ones, and hopefully you see someone you like so you can get inspired and do a bit of Animal Crossing crochet. First one, we've got our girl Tangy. I don't think I've ever had Tangy on my island, which is kind of sad because, like I said earlier, I've always had Orange Island. Next, we have another very popular villager. We have Marshall. He is so adorable. I love him. It just occurred to me that one thing you could do, like with the Marshall pattern, with the Tangy pattern, is if you have a squirrel you really like or a cat you really like, you could use these free patterns as like the base of your pattern and then add the little accessories or differences for the character that you actually like. You might have to design their own eyes and own face, but it's like a good starting point. Okay, then we have this little Marshall bag. It would be such a cute little bag to carry around. Then if you want to make a little keychain to put on your Marshall bag, we have this little Marina keychain. This tutorial actually has a right-handed tutorial and a left-handed tutorial. I am right-handed, so I don't really think about it, but it must be really hard finding tutorials if you're a left-handed crocheter. Then we have a Lily pattern. It's not the full Lily, it's just her head, but it's absolutely adorable. The frog villagers are my favorite, and this is just so cute. And moving back to like a full plushie of a full character, we've got this little Stitches the teddy bear, so adorable. They've done his little arms and ears in all the different colors that Stitches is. We've got an absolutely adorable little Flurry. She's got so many details on her shirt, on her face. His ears, have they added blush for those? They have. And we have this really big and detailed pattern of Ketchup the duck. They've even got like little embroidery on her shirt. They've got all the different colors of her stomach. They've got the little different colors of her wings and her little like tomato thing on the top of her head. That is a very impressive pattern. Next pattern is Maple. Now, this Maple tutorial is a video tutorial off a channel called Crochet Tour. Crochet Tour is an absolutely amazing channel. They have so many free patterns of so many different villages. I picked out a few I really love just to show you, but definitely go check out their channel and see their full catalog, and they're adding stuff all the time. They just added this adorable Melba a few weeks ago. We've also got this adorable Hornsby with little embroidery on his jumper. So that concludes the free patterns in the video. What I'm going to do now is show you a bunch of really cool Etsy stores where you can buy patterns. These patterns are absolutely incredible. Some of them I look at and I'm like, how do you even crochet that, let alone design it and crochet it? The first store is called Woolly Amigurumi, and they have these big, beautiful Animal Crossing characters that are so detailed. Look, they capture every single detail of the character. They're like quite big, so like a really good size to hug, and they have so many different villages. They're also having a 25% off sale. They probably won't be by the time I finish editing this video, but keep an eye out because I'm sure they do more sales if they're doing one right now. Then the next Etsy store is named Kittens and Mittens, where you can crochet exclusively kittens and mittens. Just kidding. They have the most adorable Celeste and Blathers. I couldn't find a free Celeste and Blathers, but there are these paid ones. They're so small and delicate. They're just so cute. And Blathers is even reading a book. Next store to share is Cotswolds Crochet. They do a bunch of bundles where you can buy a bunch of Animal Crossing characters in one bundle. And they have a lot of the special characters that I wasn't able to find. Here is Wendell. I love Wendell. He was like one of the best things of the 2.0 update. They've also got Flick. They've also got a Blathers and Celeste if you want to crochet a bigger version of them. Moving on to Hannah's Crochet. They also have a bunch of adorable villager patterns, including Judy, one of my favorites. And these ones are like those small, delicate, more chibi style. The next Etsy store is a little bit different. This one sells like Animal Crossing granny squares, but they have literally 100 Animal Crossing granny squares, so you can make a big Animal Crossing blanket, or you can turn your granny squares into like a cardigan or a bag or whatever it is you like to do with granny squares. There are patterns of so many different villages and items and like the little logos from your Nook phone, and you can buy all 100 for $35, which like isn't even $1 per granny square. Absolutely amazing stuff. And the final Etsy shop I have to show you today is Crochet Connie. My jaw was on the floor when I found these patterns because what they have designed is a custom villager pack, so you can make your actual Animal Crossing character. So this pattern includes a bunch of different hairstyles and a bunch of different clothes, so you can crochet your specific human Animal Crossing character, which is just amazing and so cool, and I've never seen before. And I definitely want to crochet my Animal Crossing girl. I love her. I haven't seen her in a while, but she's a part of me. Well, that is all the Animal Crossing patterns and all the Etsy stores I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that there was something in this video that got you thinking, that got you inspired to crochet something. If you're interested in other Nintendo patterns, last week I made a Nintendo patterns video. The Animal Crossing patterns were meant to be in that video, but I found a few too many, so they got their own video. Also, if you like Pokemon, I have a crochet ideas video for Pokemon with like 60 different Pokemon. Anyway, that is all for today. I will see you again soon. Bye!